This is the letter G. There is a big G and a small g. It says,
G.
what letter is this? That's right. This is the letter G. What does it say?
G.
Good. Listen to the story. One night, Goofy Ghost was going to go out to play a game of ghosting. All at once, he heard a grating noise. Go away, gasped Goofy. Then he started to giggle. It was only a creaking garden gate. Next, he saw a great glowing ball. Go away, said Goofy. But then he started to giggle again. It was only a glowing jack-o'-lantern. Then Goofy saw something else. It was green. It looked gooey and gross. It was a green, gooey, gross glob. Go away, Goofy gasped. Then he got a closer look. It was only a green, gooey, gross glob of gum. Silly Goofy. He couldn't stop giggling. He decided this game of ghosting was done. He giggled all the way home. Now let's sing along with the G song.
The letter G. 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 Says the letter G, grabbing my attention, giving words to me like ghost, girl, gift, gate. G. G. Says the letter G, grabbing my attention. G. G. Good. Get ready? Here we go. G. G. Says the letter G, grabbing my attention, giving words to me like ghost. Now you. Ghost. Girl. Girl. Gift. Gift. Gate. Gate. Good. G. G. Says the letter G, grabbing my attention. G. G. Goodness gracious, that was gorgeous. You are gifted singers.
This is the letter G. This is how you write the letter G. For uppercase G, point to the skyline, fly back on the skyline, around to the grass line, up to the plane line, and back straight on the plane line. For lowercase g, G is a plain line round letter. It starts on the plane line just like a C. Point to the plane line, trace back on the plane line, down and around all the way back to the plane line. Trace back, down all the way to the worm line, and make a curve. This is the letter G. There is a big G and a small g. It says,
G.
what letter is this? That's right. This is the letter G. What does it say?
G.
Good. Now, look for things around the room that start with the sound of G.